There's so many things to Kenya that make it beneficial for us to be out here. The terrain itself is hard, the ground itself is hard, the weather is demanding. Everything about this place seems like it wants to kill you, whether it be the animals, whether it be the weather, whether it be anything around you. You've got to be careful and you've got to be on top of your game here. I've been to Kenya a good few times now. This has been one of the longest stints we've spent out here, but overall it's been enjoyable. The exercise itself was very physically demanding, testing for commanders as well. It's good to see everyone getting tested at all levels, but it's nice to also have that little chill out period that we've had now where we've got to merge in with the locals and actually see what Kenya is like as a whole.
Kenya has been great. Being South African, I enjoy coming to Kenya. Feels a bit closer to home. It's been my 4th time in Kenya now. Yeah, it's an enjoyable place. Weather is nice. It's good to get out, see the country, see all the different wildlife, meet with the locals, and just interact and engage and build those relationships.
Exercise Askari Delta has been a fundamentally beneficial exercise and experience for those people that have come from Kenya. While some people have been here multiple times, the vast majority of the battalion have never been to Africa, and some may never have left the UK before this exercise. And not only have they benefited from doing the military exercise and improving their military skills, but they have also seen new cultures, new environments, African wildlife aplenty, and have had experiences well beyond what they will have seen or had in the army up to date, including engaging with the community, taking part in cultural engagement, and seeing parts of the countryside, whether it be through adventure training or their own stand-down activities that many will never have done before. And I'm confident that a number will take this away, use it as the base block of much of what they do in the future. And whatever they do, will look back on this as an experience that they've never had in the army and in many cases might never have again. In short, civvies would pay thousands for this, and in general a lot of the riflemen would come back and do it again, and from that point of view it's been a great experience.
Right, 1-1 goal, boss. Just be aware as you sweep through that position, okay, recognise